pretty clear it was Bill Clinton.
Today, our armed forces joined our NATO allies in airstrikes against Serbian forces.
Why was it Bill Clinton?
Jeffrey Epstein was in the White House 17 times while Bill Clinton was president.
And I know what I did. No person is above the law, even presidents, especially presidents.
Bill Clinton flew on Jeffrey Epstein's plane at least 27 times.
We're only here today because Epstein hid it from everyone so well for so long.
This is some of the most vicious atrocities in Europe since the Second World War.
Vi svaki svoj mir završavate ratom, ja svaku svoju pobedu započinjem inat.
I saw nothing and did nothing wrong.
Because we care about saving innocent lives. That is what we are doing in Kosovo.
Ovom narodu je dosta vaše igre rata, vi nemate para koliko mi imamo inata.